Alright, we've got this all cleaned up here. Bad on the corner. Inner shell isn't too awfully bad. I'm going to cut her out here on this line. Got a patch made here. I'm going to wrap that around the corners. Get the outer skim welded on first, and we'll go on the inside and we'll cut out whatever I have to back there on the overlap. There's not much of that left anyway. Just grind that area down a little bit and build overlap on our skin. So I'll bring it back when we get this cut out and get it all laid in place. Alright, we've got this cut out now. This little nasty piece here. Got back where it was solid. It's our part that we made. We've got our edges to tap around. Here's our fit. Real nice. Get that in place. I'll work the back side. Make the back side fit the front then after we replace that to fit the back side. So you work it off one little piece at a time like that. You can see there's a little bit of a curve on that. Tapped all that in. Got where we wanted it. Shape the final corner and so forth with the grinder and cut these tabs back where they have to be when they fold over. Alright, bring you back when we make some more progress here. Alright, first we put her on with the magnets. Bring it back when we get her tacked in place. Okay, this door turned over. See how these edges start to bend around here now. Continue the door line onto the corner. This is a patch piece I'll make for the shell. That's what we're going to take out. So I've got that marked now. I always make my patch piece first. Get that made and bent. That way, I use that as my template to mark my cut. That, it always makes it drop right into place. Some situations you can't make it first, but when I can, that's how I like to do it. Alright, we're going to cut that out, clean it up, drop it in there, get it welded in, and then we'll get these edges bent back over, clamp down, and we'll trim these in where they have to be to match what's already here. Alright, I'll bring you back when we get that done. Alright, here you can see what we cut out. Have been repaired before, brazed up. That out of the way. Here's what we're going to put in. That's the panel made up for it. We'll fit that in and raise that up, weld that in real nicely there. Once that's welded in, we'll tap these edges back over, crimp it right around the new door shell piece. Trim the overlap off. Do the finish work on it. Alright, we'll bring it back when we do that. Alright, we've got our piece welded in. See right here. I've got the edge bent back over now, tapped down, and I've got the line marked on it. Focus here. Where I have to trim it back to. We'll clean up this corner here a little bit more, then we'll round it up just a little out here to finish right on it. Weld these to the existing rails. Existing crimp over. Alright, I'll bring it back when I get that trimmed up. Alright, here we are, all trimmed up here. It matches up now. So I'll work to do right here in this area. Get that done. Fix all the rest of this in here. See how this piece did. This corner now is real nice and strong. All we'll have to do is seam seal this edge back and it'll look like a factory edge. Corners rounded off nice. These doors have square corners, not round. Alright, there you go. Bring it back when we finish this up. Alright, everyone saw what we did to this end of this door. Cut all this out and made the inner panel and the outer panel. After back over it, you see all that come out. Looks real good. I didn't make a whole lot of video on this because it's the same thing on this end. Did exactly the same thing down here. This was all rotted out in here. Nothing out here, so we cut it out and we made this in here. Opened these up. Made the bottom one here. And put all this back together like it should be. So now we got the bottom of this all ready to go. We're going to flip it over and work some on the outside. Do all the finished work out there. We'll bring it back when we make more progress.